Okay, guys, the distance of AM, yeah, from A to M is 9 plus 4, and 9 plus 4 is 13. 3.6, great, Daulat Zaid, thank you. So equal to AM equal to 13, and 13 under the root equal to 3.6. So 3.6. And you can see from the given condition AC equal to 2 times AM. AC distance equal to 2 times AM. So 2 multiply with AM. We know that AC is 7.2 equal to 2 multiply with AM, and AM is 3.6. So when you multiply 2 with 3.6 equal to what? 7.2. Both sides are equal. So this means that actually minus 1 and 5, these are really the midpoints of these 2 points. Correct? Total distance 7.2, midpoint is 3.6. Same you can prove this next up one, last one, 2MC. So you need to prove MC distance, where M is midpoint and C is the end points. So then you can take these points minus 1 and 5, x1, y1, and these points 2, 7, x2, y. If you find the distance between these 2 points, result will be same 3.6. Multiply with 2 equal to 7.2. Okay. Any question regarding this problem? Uh, all clear? Okay. Great. 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 Perfect. Excellent, Farida. So here,
Sir, what formula did you use for AM?
distance formula, because it's distance. Correct. We have this formula, AC formula. In previous slide, we have this formula. This is distance formula. Clear?
Okay.
Hmm.
Yes.
Uh, okay, I think these. Yes, of course, Dawlat Sai. I will tell you, of course, wait. I will tell you the application of these, where we can use these. Of course, application. We will discuss application. I will not teach you a single word without application. Next we have what? Next we have circle in two-dimensional space. Yes, circle in two-dimensional space. So, uh, you know that circle is also two-dimensional space. So, what is the equation of circle? So, equation of a circle, actually, we have equation of a circle having radius and certain points. We have uh, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Equation of a circle. Wait, wait, wait. So x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, where h and k, these 2 points, h and k, these are actually center of a radius. These are central points. And x and y, these are any point on a circle. Like if we draw another circle here, so circle, central point h and k, h and k, and any point on a circumference of a circle. We have x and y, x and y, same any 2 points, any coordinates of circle is x and y. Now, how to find radius? So same, we have distance formula. X minus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the root. So we use this formula, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, where r is the radius. But h and k depend upon actually in which quadrant you are. Yeah, in which quadrant, for example, a circle is. If circle is in, like, center of circle is its origin, we have circle and central point. Let's suppose central points are here. This is center of a circle. It means that h and k both are 0. So then equation of a circle will be x square plus y square equal to r square. X square plus y square equal to r square. Now let's suppose if points are given, equation of circle is given, points are given. So how you can find radius and how you can find these points are outside or inside the circle? Like equation of a circle and points are given. These are central points. So how you can write the equation? Is we know that x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. So h and k given, where h is 7, x value, and k is minus 3. So how we can write equation? X minus 7 whole square plus y minus k, but minus k, yeah, k is actually minus 3 whole square equal to r square. So x minus h, yeah, x minus 7 whole square, okay, y minus k, so y minus into minus become plus 3 whole square equal to r square. So this is the equation. Correct. If radius is given that r is equal to 2, so how you can write? You can write x minus 7 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square equal to 4 square. Now we have equation, this equation, and two more points are given, like points a given, we have 4 and 3, and you need to find that are these points are inside the circle, are these points outside the circle, are these points lie on circumference of a circle. So how you can find? So yes, r is 2, but in formula we have what? We have r square, so this one is actually 2 square. This one is 2 square of 4. Yes, great, great, excellent. Thank you. Omid, excellent. And Razia, excellent. So this is 2 square, r equal to 4. Now points are given. These are actually x and y points. Now our equation is x minus 7 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square equal to 2 square or 4. I will write only 4 here. So if you put these value x and y, first one is x value, second one is y value. So if both sides are equal, so this means that these points lie on circumference of a circle, boundary line of a circle, if both sides are equal. But if this side is greater than 4, this means that points are outside. But if this side is less than 4, like 3, 2, so this means that points are inside the nucleus. Let's see these points. So x is 4, so 4 minus 7 whole square, y, sorry, y is 3 plus 3 square equal to 4. 7, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 7 is minus 3, minus 3 square is 9, plus 3 plus 3 is also 9, so 9 square is 81 equal to 4. So 81 plus 9 is actually 90. So 90 actually greater than 4. This means that these points are outside of the circle. Outside. Okay. Same. If we choose another 2 points and this side, right, this side is 3 and another side is 4, this means 4 is greater than, so then these points will be inside the circle, or if both are equal, 4 is equal to 4, so then these points lie on a circumference of a circle. Circle equation. Circle is a two-dimensional space, two-dimensional shape. Equation standard form, a general form of circle equation is x minus a square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. Yes, any question? Yes, if you want to say.
Sir, how when 3 is greater than 4, it could become inside the circle?
Okay. Uh, 3 is less than 4, then inside the circle. If we have circle and we know the radius, that radius is 4, but from this equation, if you put two values x and y, and right side is 3 but left side is 4, so then this 3 is less than 4, so this means that these points are inside the circle in this location. But if you replace x, y with any two value, and equation is like this one, 10 and another side is 4. This means that 10 is greater than. This shows that points are outside the circle because this distance is greater than radius. But 3 is less than radius. Radius is 4. If both are equal, 4 equal to 4, then this means these are lie on the circumference of a circle. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
okay, great, great. So we have x minus h square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, equation of a circle. Next one, equation is given x minus 2 square, y minus 3 square equal to 4, and points are also given 2 and 1. Check whether these points, uh, 2 and 1, located on the circle, outside the circle, or inside the circle. So let's try. We have x minus 2. So replace x with 2 and y with 1. So we have 2 minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3, y is 1 minus 3 whole square equal to 4. So 2 minus 2 actually is 0, plus 1 minus 3 is actually minus 2 whole square equal to 4. So 0 square minus 2 square is 4. So 4 equal to 4. This means that these points lie on circumference of a circle. Lie circumference. Okay. Now we have standard form. Equation is given, how to write in standard form. First question is x square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y plus 1. So now how we can write this in standard form? Standard circle equation to find the radius and central point. How we can write? We use formula a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. We need to complete this formula. Uh, if you first arrange this one, do we have time? Yes, I think we have time. Let me solve just this question. So x square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y equal to plus 1 is equal to 1. So if we arrange this one, x square minus plus 6x, x with x, then we have y square and minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. We use formula a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Correct? A square plus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So first one, you can see the coefficient of x is plus, so this means plus formula. Second, coefficient of y is minus, so means negative formula. Okay, to complete this formula, if we write x square, this is actually your a square. Second, 6x is the second, this one term, 2ab. So can we write this in the form of 2a multiply with b, where a is already, we know that this is first number x. So what will be second number? When we multiply 2 with a number, become, yeah, equal 6. So equal to what? 3. So this must be 3, because when you multiply 2 with 3, equal to x. Okay, yes. So x square plus 2ab, and last term b square is missing. To complete this formula, we must add b square here, and we know that b is 3. So if we add b square like 3 square, so this is complete formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Same second term, y square minus 2y plus 1. So first term is, yeah, first number is actually y square minus 2a, then we have b, and then we need to add b square here. So what is a here? A is actually y. So write down here 2a. So what will be b? If we multiply 2 with a number equal to 2, yeah, minus 2. Minus 2 multiply with any number equal to minus 2. So this must be 1, because if you add minus 2 with 1 equal to minus 2. Great, excellent, Najia. So we know that our last term is also 1, so we have already 1 here. So if we write 1 here in the form of 1 square, because 1 square equal to 1, equal to 0. But actually we add 3 square on this side. So anything we add or subtract on one side, we must do same on another side. So we have 0 here, we will add 3 square on the other side. So now we have 3 square, or we have 9 on another side. Now this one complete formula, and formula is a plus b whole square, where a is x and b is 3. So x plus 3 square. Next one, minus formula, a minus b. So y is actually a, and minus 1, 1 is b whole square, equal to 9 or 3 square. 3 square or 9. Now we have this equation, x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. But we know that standard form of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. We have minus x minus h and y minus k, but here we have plus, so we must write this in standard form in minus symbol. So can we write this one, x minus minus 3 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to 9. So where h point, central point h is minus 3, k is 1. H is minus 3, k is 1. What about the radius? So radius, this is actually r square value. R square is 9, so r is equal to what? R is equal to 3, the radius value. Clear? So if equation is given, so how to write in standard form? So we need completing square formula. Quadratic equation, then completing square formula. A plus b whole square and a minus b whole square to complete the formula. Let me try second example, that how we can write the equation and circle standard equation. Next equation we have x square plus y square minus 14x plus 4y plus 49. So first if we arrange this one like x square minus 14x, second one y square plus 4y plus 49 equal to 0. Okay, now we have negative formula because we have the coefficient of x is minus 14, so negative formula. Coefficient of y is plus, so positive formula. X square minus 14x, can we write in the form of, we have x square plus 2ab, a is x, so what is b? We know that we have 14 here, so 2 multiplied with number equal to 14 is 7. So 2 7 equal to 14. So b is 14. So we need what? We need 7 square. 7 square actually equal to 49. We have already 49 here. So can we write 49 in the form of 7 square? 7 square equal to 49. Now second one, we have y square plus 4y. So can we write is y square plus 2a and b, where a is first number, this number y, what is b? So we have 4, so 2 multiply with number, any number equal 4 is 2, 2 multiply with 2 equal to 4. Now to complete this formula, we need actually b square, where b is 2, so we need actually 2 square equal to, we have 0, but you can see we add this 2 side, this 2 square on right side, so what we must add this on another side. Same if we add this one on another side. X is complete formula, and formula is x plus 7 whole square. Next one, y plus 2y, 2 into square. Actually this one is, yes, this one is minus, not plus. Thank you. Y x minus 7 whole square. Next one, y plus formula, so y plus 2 whole square equal to r square, where r square is equal to 2 square. Now we have h, and h is equal to 7. We have k, so k value actually, this one is minus 2. As I told you that in general formula we have minus, so how we can write this in the form of standard formula? So we can write y minus minus 2 and whole square. So our k value is minus 2. Same, what is the value of r? So r square is equal to 2 square. R is equal to what? R is equal to 2. Standard form of circle equation. Okay. Note, no. Najia, 49 is not the equation. Actually, 49 is a part of first formula. We replace 49 by 7 square. You can see here 7 square. 7 square is equal to 49. If we have a number which is not a perfect square, like if we have 50 here, so then we will transfer to another side. Like if we have 50, so we will 50, then we will add with 2. So anything in left, it will be the radius equation. It will be the radius, length, or magnitude of radius. Clear? Let me clear another thing. For example, if we have this number, yeah, this equation, x square plus 10x uh, y square plus, let's suppose, 20x, and we have, let's suppose, 13 equal to 0. Now to complete first formula, we have x square plus 2 multiply with x, then multiply with 5, because 2 5s are equal to 10. So we need what? We need 5 square here to complete this formula. We have 13. This is not 5 square, complete square. We need 5 square, so we add 5 square here. Same for second, y square plus 20x. So we can write y square plus 2 multiply with y, and then multiply with 10, because 2 multiply with 10 equal to 20. Now to complete this y formula, this one, we need actually b square, 10 square. So adding 10 square. So we add actually 5 square and 10 square. But we have only 13. 13 is not a perfect square. You need to transfer to other side. This will become minus 13. We add 5 square. So 5 square means 25. We also add 10 square. So 10 square is actually 100. So when you add 100 with 25, so 125 minus 13 equal to 112. So this is actually RV. Clear? The example from this with application that where we use. Now we know about the formulas. So in next class, first 10 minutes will be review from this class with application where we use these midpoint formula and circle equation. Clear? Then we will discuss new topic. I will also upload slides in these two videos, first meeting and second meeting in Canvas, and I will also upload the exercise like problem, exercise problem. So then you can try. These are not assignment, but these are just for practice. Now let me finish the attendance because some students were left. Now tell me if you are here. Kamran Ahmad Zai, I think Kamran is also here. Yes, Kamran. Are you here, Kamran? No?
Yes, sir, I'm present.
Okay, thank you. Same, Dawlat Zai is here. Zabiullah Hamidi, can you hear me, Zabiullah? Okay. Samira, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, great. Muhammad Ilyas, I think you are here.
Yes, Professor, I'm here.
Okay. Razia Khaliki.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, great. Fatima Noor.
Yes, sir, present.
Great. Waris Nurzai. Muhammad Muqtadir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Umaid Salihi.
Yes, sir, I'm present.
Great. And last one, Fiza Batul.
Sir, she's here, but I think she can't listen.
Okay. Muhammad Muqtadir, what about you? Okay, he is absent. Now, okay, I will.
I'm present, sir, as well.
Okay, great.
Sir, I'm present.
Okay, okay, all are present. Uh, yes, all are present. I think only this Muhammad Muqtadir is absent. More all are present. And after I have another class after this class. So when I finish the another class, so I will post these videos, and these are actually link of my YouTube channel. Correct? I will post link in Canvas. So that will be my the link of your these meetings and link of my channel, YouTube channel.
Excuse me, sir. I
Yes,
have a question.
yes, Mr. Yes.
Sir, do we have a book for this session?
Yes, actually, you can see already uploaded in Canvas.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome. Anything? Any question?
No, sir, thank you.
Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, sir.
Allah Hafiz. See
Goodbye,
you.
sir.
Allah Hafiz.
See you, sir. Goodbye.
Inshallah.
No, sir, thank you.
Allah Hafiz.
Goodbye, sir.
Allah Hafiz.